Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting and exciting video on my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the top 10 richest tribes in Nigeria in 2023. Nigeria is regarded as the giant of Africa due to its large population with different ethnic groups and cultural diversity. A tribe simply means a group of people staying in a particular geographical area sharing the same culture, religion, language and history. There are three major tribes in Nigeria, namely the Hausas, the Igbos and the Yorubas. But however, there are a total of 371 tribes in Nigeria. Some believe the tribal differences among Nigerians is one of the major problems affecting the country's economic growth. Nigeria is home to billionaires, businessmen, oil magnates, and even the richest black man, Aliko Dangote, is from a major tribes in Nigeria. So sit back and relax, we'll be revealing the top 10 richest tribes in Nigeria. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we drop new videos. And remember, we only drop interesting, educating and exciting content. You can also follow us on Instagram at official Cheesy Media. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. The Ibibio tribe is one of the oldest tribes in Nigeria. They are commonly found in the southern part of Nigeria, in states like Akwa Ibom, Benue State, Cross River State, speaking the Efik Ibibio language. It is said they are related to the Efik people. During the colonial era, the Ibibio Union requested to be recognized as a sovereign nation. The Ibibios are one of the richest tribes in Nigeria, and they have prominent businessmen and politicians, actors who hails from there. Ibibio tribe are doing well economically, culturally and otherwise, producing notable individuals such as Hogan Bassi and the former governor of Akwa Ibom State, Gospel Akpabio, and also Nollywood stars such as Iniedu, Bishop Ime and many more. Number 9 on the list today is the Kanuri tribe. The Kanuri tribe is one of the richest tribes in Nigeria. They are normally found in the northern part of Nigeria in states like Borno State, Niger State, Yobe State, and they are mostly Islam. They can also be found in some African countries like Sudan, Libya, and Cameroon. The Kanuri tribe is regarded as one of the richest tribes in Nigeria. They have prominent men in the society such as Ibrahim Abacha, Yahaya Adamu, and also the former chief of army staff of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Tuku Buratai. Number 8 on the list today is the Tiv tribe. The Tiv tribe is a unique tribe in Nigeria with a distinctive cultural values, beliefs, practices and language. This tribe could be found in states such as Benue, Taraba, Plateau, Nasarawa and Cross River State. Tiv tribe is regarded as one of the strongest and the most hardworking tribe in Nigeria due to their specialty in subsistence farming such as yams, potato, rice and many more, and these generate lots of revenue for them and also for the country. They also have successful businessmen and celebrities such as Two-Face Idibia, the late Ada Ame, Moses Adausu and many more. Number 7 of the richest tribes in Nigeria is the Ijaw tribe. The Ijaw tribe is one of the largest minority tribes in Nigeria. They are mostly located in the Niger Delta area with significant population in Bayelsa State, Delta State, River State and many more. History remembers the Ijaw people as the first to come in contact with the Westerners when they first arrived in Nigeria. They specialize in fishing, oil trade, exploration and generation of income through oil which is abundant in this area. The Ijaw people is one of the most powerful tribes in Nigeria. Even the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, is an Ijaw man. Sixth on the list today is the Isoko tribe. The Isoko tribe is one of the richest tribes in Nigeria. They are located in the Niger Delta region in states like Delta State, Bayelsa State and River State. It's one of the smallest tribes but also one of the richest tribes that boast of known and successful billionaires and celebrities such as Don Jazzy, Orezi, Daddy Shoki, Solid Star, and 2 among the top 10 richest men in Nigeria are from the Isoko tribe. Tony Elumelu, the founder and the CEO of United Bank of Africa (UBA), and also Health Holding, Jim Ovia, the founder and the major shareholder of Zenith Bank Africa, and many more. Number 5 on the list today is Edo. Edo is located in the southern part of Nigeria, also known as the Bini tribe. It's the 5th richest tribe in Nigeria, both in terms of resources, manpower, economy, and possession of rich individuals. Majority of the richest men in Edo have featured in Falls and also known for living luxurious and flamboyant lifestyle. Some of these billionaires are Chief Gabriel Igbenedion, the founder of Igbenedion University, Pastor Chris Oyakhilome, one of the richest pastors in Africa, Raymond Odopesi, the founder of African Television Network AIT, and Michel Elegbe, the founder and managing director of Interswitch. Fulanis are one of the most powerful and the richest tribe in Nigeria, producing 2 of the last 3 presidents of Nigeria, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua and the current president, Muhammadu Buhari. Fulani are the 4th richest tribe in Nigeria, boasting of powerful, wealthy politicians and businessmen such as Rabiu Samad, the founder and owner of Boa Cement and the CEO of Boa Group, and the 5th richest man in Africa, Atiku Abubakar, and the former Senate President of Nigeria, Bukola Saraki. The Hausas is the most populous tribes in Nigeria, well known for their agricultural strides and political success over the years in Nigeria. They are located in the northern part of Nigeria. The Hausas are the most powerful tribe, holding major offices in government and boasting the richest black man in the world, Aliko Dangote, and also Sayo Dandata. Just the 2 of them are worth over $18 billion. The Yorubas are the 2nd richest and one of the most powerful tribes in Nigeria. The Yorubas occupy 21% of the Nigerian population, making them one of the largest ethnic groups in Africa. They are the most famous tribe in Nigeria, boasting the biggest name in the Nigerian music industry, from the likes of Wizkid, Davido, Olamide, and many more. The Yoruba has high-profile politicians, from the likes of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to former President Olusegun Obasanjo, and to successful high-profile businessmen and billionaires, from the likes of Mike Adenuga, the 2nd richest man in Africa and also the owner of Globacom, Totodola, to Folorunso Alakeja, one of the richest women in Africa and also the richest woman in Nigeria, and many more. Number 1 on the list today are the Igbos. The Igbos are the richest tribe not just in Nigeria but also in Africa at large. They has the highest number of richest people. The Igbos are mostly found in the southeastern part of Nigeria. They are known for their resilience and business-oriented mindset and creativity. After the Nigerian Biafra Civil War, which thousands of Igbos were massacred and their lands turned into wasteland, they have grown immensely to become the richest tribe in Nigeria. It is believed that an average Igbo man is doing well financially, down to the industrial city of Nnewi, which is home to over 6 billionaires, from the likes of Clement Ibe to Ifeanyi Uba, Innocent Chukwuma, the CEO of Innocent Motors, Cosmos Madoka, Obiajulu Uzodike, the CEO of Curtis Cables, Chika Okafor, also the CEO of Chikasin Group, and many more. The Igbos are travelers scattered all over the world, doing well and dominating. To the new generation billionaires, from the likes of Obi Kubana, E-Money, Joey Zaza, and many more. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it. Do you believe that the Igbos are the richest tribe in Nigeria? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you and God bless you.